welcome. I'll provide a little story and explain the meaning of the esoteric symbolism used here at the end of this narrative. Now, listen to my angel friend as she explains this event.
In the quiet corners of a dimly lit room, shadows grow, not just on the walls, but between hearts. Shadows you see are not merely the absence of light, but of understanding, laughter, and love. They thrive in silence of unspoken words and unspoken apologies. But imagine, just for a moment, what a sliver of light can do. As light seeps in, watch how the darkness retreats and dissolves the barriers it once built. Now, there is laughter, a shared joke, a whispered secret in this light. There is understanding, as eyes meet and smiles widen. Here, in the brilliance of openness and joy, hands find each other, fingers intertwine. The shadows, they fade, as ephemeral as the fears that once felt so concrete. So step into the sunlight and embrace its warmth. Choose the light. Let love strongly prevail.
Now for the meanings of these esoteric symbols. When it speaks about shadows slowly creeping in and creating darkness in relationships, this means that evil is hidden in the darkness, symbolizing a lack of knowledge or ignorance, harmony, and communication in relationships. Sometimes, an evil entity can project this onto individuals, and their relationships can be ruined. The symbolism of a ray of sunlight driving away darkness is similar to that of an angel's light, which brings knowledge, harmony, love of life, and joy to a relationship. The symbolism of the couple intertwining hands, of course, it's symbolizing harmony in the relationship. Let's hope you go through life and learn how to peer deeper into the hidden meanings where gems of knowledge are stored. This is how you will gain enlightenment and a higher understanding. Remember, there are 3 pillars upon which you build: truth, purity, and then love. Each one of those pillars is like an esoteric symbol. I hope you find this intriguing and it resonates within your heart, attracting you to learn more.
What angels like, in their pure form, they delight in witnessing the blossoming of love and happiness among people, a stark contrast to the shadows who strive to sow seeds of discord. Angels love to see growth in humans, but the shadow realm opposes this and seeks to destroy everything. Angels are more like stars and devils like black holes, void of life-giving energy, instead sucking the life out of you, causing sickness.
Scientists would say everything on Earth owes its life's existence to our neighboring star. So enjoy the radiance of the day, create joy and love, and spread this throughout the world. As the entities in the shadow realm gradually awaken to a higher consciousness, they ascend from the depths of darkness, rejecting it in favor of the illuminating light. As inhabitants of this world, humans are not mere spectators but active participants, holding the key to the journey towards global enlightenment. Now go out and conquer the world with your love. If you hold belief in your heart, then the pursuit becomes essential. Seek tirelessly. Eventually, you will stumble upon realms where peace and harmony flourish. Beyond this discovery lies a deeper understanding, realizing why aiding others is not just a choice but a calling. It's in this journey of seeking and finding that we uncover the true essence of our purpose, learning that in the act of helping others, we find a profound sense of fulfillment and connection to the world around us and a connection to the all, or more clearly stated, to us all. Now, I'll slide back into a meditative state, envisioning a harmonious world. A world where the potential of our higher intelligence is realized, crafting the utopia that has been envisioned for millennia.